merong confusion or meron sila makikitang problema with regards to a particular case, technology is one of the best ways to coordinate with us. They call us, sometimes they visit us personally, or due to time constraints, they call us also for an opinion or a suggestion with regards to a case filed ng sariling opisina as an identity, kasi importante yan. Kasi yung Lupong Tagapamayapa is an institution itself. Dapat ma-consider the institution. So on their part, ginawa nila yun. They have their separate office na doon yung transactions ginagawa as far as Lupong Tagapamayapa is concerned. And other things na medyo iba sa kanila, yung ginagawa nilang hearings. Kasi isa ito sa mga attractions nila. Pag sasabihin natin hearing with the punong barangay, talagang punong barangay lang ang nandoon na magsisitol. Pag sasabihin natin hearing or settlement na conciliation with the pangkat ng tagapagkasundo, yung tatlo lang ang nandoon. Kasi yung pangkat is composed of the pangkat chairman, the pangkat secretary, and the third member. So tatlo lang sila dapat nandoon. On their part, pag merong mga hearings, lahat sila nandoon. Hindi sa nandoon sila para makialam sa kaso, kundi yung other members na hindi naging member ng pangkat ng tagapagkasundo, they will serve as counselors ng dalawang conflicting parties para mas madaling ma-resolve. Kasi at the height of settlement, meron man talagang taasan ng pressure, yung emosyon. So, posibleng magkakaroon sila ng recess, o mag-recess sila or mag-break. Then, these other members of the Lupong Tagapamayapa will go to the other parties. Sila yung magka-counsel. Tutulungan nilang papaliwanag sa kanila yung kasong dinadaanan nila, yung problema nila, para yung emosyon mawala at mas madaling ma-resolve. Isa yon sa mga unique na ginagawa nila. And another thing is yung binibisita talaga nila yung may mga conflict if time warrants and if there is a necessity. Halimbawa yung kaso medyo problema, kailangan puntahan personally ng mga counselors, hindi to convince na hindi mag-settle ka na lang, but for them to understand kung ano yung case na meron sila, at sila mismo mag-a-agree between the two parties, conflicting parties, the respondent and the complainant. We have to agree kasi this is for our ng prayer, not a Lupon member, but one of the parties yung mag-lead ng prayer. So there is always a divine intervention na palagi sila naniniwala.